first thing we need to consider what we need to do in the future by Intel technology. And the first thing they can consider the left side. What you have in your backpack just maybe 15 years ago. You maybe have a discrete camera, you will have a discrete navigation device, MP3 player, or even the handheld gaming device. But what you have in your pocket now, you have only one smartphone. The smartphone, you have a camera app, you have a music app, you have a navigation app. So that's the difference and a different mindset. That's why we want to introduce today with Intel technology. We call this CPU neutralization and centralization. So like your smartphone just, any app just uses the same CPU. But consider what you are doing now. You have the left side, you have multi-work, but you will have a different device, maybe a large device. Like you have a camera, you have a navigation device in your backpack in the past. But we need to consider is you can do different. Like this one, the right side we have a single workload. Like Intel technology called workload consolidation. You can do a similar thing like a smartphone now. You can just have virtualize your system and neutralize and centralize your CPU, Intel CPU, like what you're doing with the smartphone. And will help you to do things different. So this is the different thing. We have this demonstration demo machine in our booth. If you are interested, you can just visit us. What makes it different? We have this machine, only one Intel CPU and one Intel Arc 300 series CPU. It's just entry-level Intel CPU. It's with a reasonable price. But we could run 5 independent OS. Even we can run Android, Windows. You can see we have a kiosk with Android and we have advertising with Windows. And also we run 2 AI. One is facial recognition and one is large language model with Ubuntu. So we can run separate and independently with only one CPU, one graphic card to run multi-job. And we can let it easier if your customer have different requirement. You just add another virtual machine on it. Like you have a different requirement, you just download different app for your smartphone. This similar concept, but will help you to do this one. So we need to do things different. Like we want to let the customer know why we apply a large language model to this machine. Like everyone talking about generative AI, like a ChatGPT, but it's cloud solution. So in our solution, we do the similar thing. We have a generative AI for a large language model, but with local CPU, local GPU, and just local database. You don't need to connect to internet. We can have access to the large language model. So it will change things. What makes different? We can then become offline and offline customer service center. So you will have an AI customer service with your current solution, even its Intel solution. You just need to maybe install an entry-level graphic card. Then your system could have an offline AI service. So you can help you to just extend your business, and even you can have a lower cost for labor. So you can save the employee cost. So that's we want to use Intel, and Intel, they have a technology for OpenMINO, and they have a optimization for the large language model. That's why we can run with just graphic card to run, like a ChatGPT need to run in cloud. So that's make different. We can just provide this technology to edge solution. So we just, this is the Black Diamond that we run different purpose, and by virtualization, we can run just single hardware and a single GPU, and it's easier for the customer in the future. If you have you are system integrator, you are a solution provider. Always customer will ask for different requirement. But in the past, you will ask for different machine, different system, different board for extra function. But what just consider now, you only have one smartphone, but you need to count how many apps you have in your smartphone. So you will not, because now you need some requirement, you will buy another smartphone, right? But now you are doing the same thing, like you buy a lot of smartphone or a lot of devices to do specific feature. But we need to just change your mind, and we can help you to do that. And not only for flexibility, the most important thing is that we need to take care about the accessibility. Because if you use the different device to do the different job, or we use the consolidation to do different job with just single CPU, it will help you to have a lower power consumption. So you can help you to have an ESG for the environment, society, and the government. It's for sustainability. We need to take care about, in the future, maybe the carbon tax will become a significant cost. So maybe you need to consider the better power efficiency solution now, and then it will help your customer, even your product, to have a better performance per watt. Then you can just have a better power efficiency solution. So that's what we are to introduce to everyone today, to let you know we cooperate with Intel, and then we provide the new technology, consolidation, and also we can help you to apply the large language model for you to edge AI, and then you can treat it as a customer service center for your customer. So that's just do things different and just have a different mindset. That will be make your business be faster growing in the future. Okay, this is today's introduction. Thank you.